Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to highlight a PDF document on Mac. Let's get started. First, launch PDFelement and click Open File to open the file you want to modify. Then click Markup, Highlight, and select the text you want to highlight in the PDF. Now pick the color you want to use. Put your cursor to the left side of the color block and click on the drop-like icon for more color palettes. You can also set the brightness of the color and use the drop-down tool to pick a color. Click the Select tool and double-click the highlights to delete them easily. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try out PDFelement for free today. Plus, check the rest of my videos for more other useful tutorials. Thanks, and see you next time.